Can't find the Google Play Store on your Android phone? You're not alone. Many Android users face this issue after changing settings, updating their device, or accidentally disabling an app. Thankfully, the Play Store usually isn't deleted. It's simply hidden or turned off. In this tutorial, I'll show you several quick and effective ways to restore the Google Play Store and get your phone back to normal without resetting anything. Method 1. Find the Play Store using search. The Play Store may still be installed on your phone even if you can't see the icon. Unlock your device and open the app drawer by swiping up on the home screen. Tap the search field at the top of the screen. Type Google Play Store. If the app appears, press and hold the icon. Drag it back to the home screen or tap Add to Home. This is the easiest solution and works for many Android users. Method 2. Unhide the Play Store app. Some phones allow apps to be hidden from the app drawer accidentally. Press and hold an empty area on your home screen. Open Home Settings or Launcher Settings. Select Hidden Apps or Hide Apps. Look for Google Play Store in the Hidden Apps list. Remove the checkmark next to it, save the settings and return to the home screen. The Play Store should now appear normally again. Method 3. Re-enable the Google Play Store. If the Play Store was disabled, it will disappear completely from your device. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps or Application Manager. Tap See All Apps if necessary. Scroll down and open Google Play Store. If you see the Enable button, tap it. Once enabled, the Play Store will return instantly. That's it. Your Google Play Store should now be back and working properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.